And I'm Russ.
And we're with Michaela.
Join us in the adventure to save Africa's wildlife.
Just a lovely couple of days at Tuskers.
Tons of wildlife.
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful setting. Too expensive.
Now we're off to go see Brent Stapelkamp.
So after much seeking and one big wrong turn.
You might remember Brent Stapelkamp in connection with the sad story of Cecil the lion a few years back. Today, Brent and his wife Laurie are making a much quieter yet remarkable difference to conserve nature outside of Hwange National Park in Zimbabwe. Could you give up all your creature comforts? Well, at least most of them, especially those modern conveniences we get so used to.
And therefore share the load.
Brent and Laurie gave it all up to live in a native village bordering the national park. Here the rules are different. The village chief grants parcels of land to whoever he wishes. Brent and Laurie now live off the grid on their allotted land to conserve nature. The day we visit, we find Laurie building a terrace on a rocky, unwanted piece of land. Here she is with a group of village women, moving rocks and dirt with visions of vegetables in their eyes. Brent tells us why good soil turns hard and useless. He speaks about what can be done to reverse it. It's surprising to learn that intense use by large herds of livestock over a short period of time loosens up the hardened earth in preparation of moisture. Brent and Laurie have organized a grassroots group of local villagers, each with a specific role to play to conserve nature, from growing vegetables on rocky slopes to herding their livestock differently, from making solar-powered dehydrators to capturing rainwater, from protecting their fields against elephants and learning how to use mobile chicken coops. All this to conserve nature and to allow the humans, their livestock, and the wildlife to thrive.
We have to keep the animals safe.
Yeah, that's the dream.
Come along, join us. Join the adventure. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Michaela Wildlife.
Spot.